How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Are you tired?
A little bit.
Are you hungry?
Yes, I am.
Are you thirsty?
No, not right now.
What is your name?
My name is Jack.
How old are you?
I am 25 years old.
Where are you from?
I am from the USA.
What is your job?
I am a dentist.
Are you married?
No, I'm single.
Where do you live?
I live in New York.
Is your home far from here?
No, it is very close.
Is your city big?
Yes, it is very big.
What is the weather like today?
It's a little bit cold.
Is it raining outside?
No, it isn't.
Is it cold today?
Yes, it's getting cold.
Do you like rain?
Yes, I enjoy rainy days.
What day is today?
Today is Monday.
What time is it now?
It's 3:30 p.m.
Are you happy?
Yes, I am very happy.
Are you sad?
No, not today.
Are you busy now?
Yes, I'm busy with work.
Are you free tomorrow?
Yes, I am free in the afternoon.
Do you have brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have one brother.
Do you like your family?
Yes, very much.
Is your mother at home?
Yes, she is cooking.
Is your father at work?
Yes, he is at the office.
Do you visit your family often?
Yes, every weekend.
Who is your best friend?
My best friend is Lisa.
Where does your friend live?
She lives in my neighborhood.
Do you go out with your friends?
Yes, we go out on Saturdays.
Do your friends speak English?
Some of them do.
Do you like meeting new people?
Yes, I do.
Are your parents kind?
Yes, they are very kind.
Do you help your parents at home?
Yes, I help them every day.
Do you take care of your siblings?
Yes, I help them with homework.
Do you have grandparents?
Yes, I have two grandmothers.
Are you going home?
Yes, I am.
Are you feeling sick?
No, I feel good.
Did you sleep well last night?
Yes, I slept about 8 hours.
What do you usually eat for breakfast?
I eat bread and eggs.
Do you drink coffee in the morning?
Yes, I drink coffee every day.
What time do you wake up on weekdays?
I wake up at 7 a.m.
What time do you get up on weekends?
I get up at 8 a.m.
How do you go to work?
I go by bus.
Do you walk to work sometimes?
Yes, if the weather is good.
Do you drive a car?
No, I don't have a car.
Can you drive?
Yes, I can.
Do you take the train?
No, not often.
Is the bus fast?
No, it is slow.
What time do you start work?
I start at 9 a.m.
What time do you finish work?
I finish at 8 p.m.
Do you eat lunch at home or work?
I eat at work.
Do you cook dinner?
Yes, I cook every evening.
Do you clean your house?
Yes, every weekend.
Do you go shopping?
Yes, on Saturdays.
Do you buy clothes often?
Yes, sometimes.
Do you buy shoes often?
Yes, when I need them.
Do you like shopping online?
Yes, it's very convenient.
Do you pay by cash or card?
Usually by card.
Do you eat vegetables every day?
Yes, I do.
Do you drink water every day?
Yes, I drink a lot of water.
Do you like chocolate?
Yes, I love chocolate.
Do you eat ice cream?
Yes, sometimes.
Do you like fast food?
No, I don't like.
Do you go to the gym?
Yes, twice a week.
Do you play football?
Yes, sometimes.
Do you swim?
Yes, I can.
Do you like going to the park?
Yes, I love it.
What is your favorite place?
I like the park near my house.
Do you like reading books?
Yes, very much.
Do you like watching TV?
Yes, in the evening.
Do you watch movies?
Yes, every week.
Do you go to the cinema?
Yes, sometimes.
Do you listen to music?
Yes, every day.
Do you play an instrument?
No, I don't.
Can you sing?
Yes, a little.
Do you use your phone a lot?
Yes, I use it every day.
Do you like social media?
Yes, very much.
Do you call your friends often?
Yes, I call them almost every day.
Do you like learning new things?
Yes, I like improving myself.
Do you like learning English?
Yes, I love it.
Do you study every day?
Yes, I try to.
Do you like exams?
No, not really.
Do you like traveling?
Yes, I love traveling.
Have you traveled abroad?
Yes, I have.
Where did you go?
I went to France.
Do you like airplanes?
Of course, I do.
Do you like camping?
Yes, very much.
Do you go to the mountains?
Sometimes with friends.
Do you go to the beach?
Yes, in summer.
Do you take photos while traveling?
Yes, always.
Do you like surprises?
Yes, it's exciting.
Do you celebrate birthdays?
Yes, every year.
Do you buy gifts for friends?
Yes, on their birthdays.
Do you like receiving gifts?
Yes, who doesn't?
Do you give flowers to someone?
Yes, it makes people happy.
Do you like spending time alone?
Yes, when I want to think.
Do you trust your friends?
Mostly, yes.
Do you share secrets with friends?
Only with close friends.
Do you like picnics with family?
Yes, very much.
Do you have pets?
Yes, I have a dog.
Do you go for walks with your pet?
Yes, in the evening.
Do you want to get married?
Yes, one day.
ChitChat English